Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss why can't I repost on TikTok. The first reason for that may be because you have an outdated version of the TikTok application, and in that case you should go to App Store and check whether you have the latest version, and if not, upgrade TikTok to the latest one. To the latest version. Another reason for why you can't repost on TikTok may be because you have some app glitches, or also you can try clearing your cache. So to clear your cache, you should go to menu. This is these three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. Then go to settings. Here scroll down until you see free up space, and you see that I have some cache. Tap clear button and confirm clear, and now you see that I have no cache. And also you can delete your downloads. This will also free up your storage, and maybe then you will be able to repost TikToks. And also last but not least reason, maybe because some creators can disable the ability for other users to repost their content. So that may be the case. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.